Hi, this is Greg Schoenborn from the On-Site Storage Solutions. So the things we're going to talk today are an issue on the roof, which has a dent. And what happens is if the roof gets dented, it holds water. And if that water puddles there, over time, it'll start to rust in that spot. And then it eventually rusts through and create a small hole. So we're going to show you this, and then we're going to show you how we repair it and prevent it from happening in the future. So the first thing we're going to do today is show you the hole from the inside view. So if you look at the roof here, it naturally has a gable to it. But right here, as you can see, there's a small hole where there's a dent. And once we go on the roof, you'll be able to see where the water tends to pool and over time starts to rust in that spot. And as a result, it corrodes through. So what we're going to do today is we're going to gable that roof by popping the roof right here so that again, the water flows away. Then once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and hit it with a wire wheel to remove any exposed rust. And then from there, we're going to put a little bit of primer on it, and then we'll put a patch, what they call the trailer tape. It's an aluminum tape with a tar backing that sticks really well. Again, what you're going to need is something like a 4x4, which is this. You're going to need a bottle jack or similar, and you're just basically going to pop it up. Now take a look at the roof real quick. You'll notice that now, with the support, it's concave. So I have to go beyond what I see here so that the roof actually pops and will maintain that convex shape so that the water rushes off of it. I can hear it cracking a little bit, so that means there you go, there's the pop. That's what I was listening for. So we let it sit here for a few minutes just so that it could settle. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna release the pressure. As you see here, we have some excessive rust. Okay, so this right here is corroded through, and that's that pinhole we see from the inside right there. So again, we want to remove this rust. We're going to put a patch over it. That patch is good for a few years. You just replace it if it becomes a problem. That cleans up pretty well. That hole's gotten a little larger. Looks like we're about to have the start of another little hole right here. But again, our patch will cover that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to hit that with a little bit of primer. Should do it for the primer. We'll put a finish coat on it just to give it a little extra seal. This again is called trailer tape. So trailer tape is it's got what they call asphalt or tar backing with an aluminum front. So we're going to go ahead and measure it out. And as you see, that's going to fit really well. It's going to go on like that. It'll mold to the shape and again, provide that protection that you need from the elements, keeping it watertight for many years to come. Hey, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe below. And again, if you have questions or you're looking for a shipping container near you, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We're nationwide with equipment throughout the US and Canada. Call today.